Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable and how to disable three fingers split view gesture in Realme 14x phone. So first of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility and convenience menu. Then we need to go to the split view. And here we have our three finger swipe for split view switch. At the top, as you can see, we have a tutorial and explanation. What does it do? How does it work? With pictures. And here is our switch. So right now we do not have this shortcut enabled, and now we have. So let's leave it on. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.